Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. You all are having a great time in the market. Welcome back to Forex Scholars, first videos of Forex Scholars, where I will be posting daily Forex analysis videos, trade opportunities, trade ideas, trade breakdowns, and many more stuff. So let's take a look at the Forex space and how they are behaving today and what we can expect them from their movements and the movement of dollar index in the next upcoming 24 hours. So let's first check some of the pairs that I have marked. First is the NZD USD. Now let's simply understand that. Let's start with the dollar index first. To be honest, dollar index has been in the same range for almost 10 to 14 days now. Since January 12th, it has been in the same range of 102 to 101, and today is almost January 25th. And since 13 days, if we exclude the Saturday and Sunday, almost a week and more than that, we have seen no movement in the dollar index whatsoever. Now the initial problem is here because dollar index is not moving. We are unable to see any moves in the major pairs. There is no movement absolutely in the major pairs. No matter what pair you take, there are no tradable moves, there are no very great moves, there are no as you say, 100 pip moves or 300 pip moves or 1000 pip moves. There are no such moves in the past 1 month, so to say. But I am expecting dollar index to maybe slightly take a bullish turn, and the reason that I'm saying is because if we look at on a 4 hours time frame, it is on a great OB, and it has digged deeper into the demand. And tomorrow at 7 p.m., do not forget, we have GDP of the US government. So we will see any movement possible, likely at 7 p.m. tomorrow. And I my bet is that we are going to see dollar regaining some strength from the demand, probably going towards 100 and maybe 103, 104 levels, and that will trigger some movement. Now the reason I'm all saying that is also because if we look at the pairs that are opposite to dollar, like the NZD or EUR USD or the GBP USD pairs, all of them are looking as if they have topped out. They have reached their supplies, and currently, if we look at NZD USD right now, it is on a great supply. If we go on to the 4 hours time frame, just take a look on the 4 hours time frame. NZD USD is not looking so good to me. NZD USD is looking as if it might, it is creating faulty highs here, and any movement on the downside below this level of 100 0.64341 will trigger a good change of character, and then we can target the levels of 0.62149. This is what my analysis for NZD USD dollar is. Talking about the Australian dollar, I don't think there is not anything much to talk about it. It has rallied quite a bit because of their news articles and their government decisions. But I truly think that AUD USD, whatever it's doing right now, it is topping out as well. Now, if we look at GBP USD, we have a very good trade idea in GBP USD, which I have marked for you guys. If we look at on a 1 hour time frame, GBP USD is looking really great for a short. It has done everything very, very nicely. It has been in a range, making higher highs and higher lows, and boom, it liquidates, it comes again, and it breaks the last high low. This gives us a break of structure, or as you say, a great change of character, that too in an area of supply. If we look at the 4 hours time frame, there you go. GBP USD is on a great area of supply, and it has given a 1 hour chalk. So I think that this trade idea in GBP USD is very highly accurate, and this has a very good chance of working in our favor. Now let's look at one more trade idea that I was looking. It's not a trade idea, but since dollar can regain some strength, I am betting a bit on USD JPY. The reason I am doing this is because if we look at the 1 hour time frame of USD JPY or the 4 hours time frame of USD JPY, it is on a great OB. It is on a great OB that has led to an upper move, a huge upper move, making a very good bullish uptrend. And now it has come back there again, and it has shown some movement from there on. Now I cannot exactly spot you the OB from where you can take the trade, because I'm not very clear either in this, and I don't think I'll be trading in it. But for scalpers, or for short time frame traders, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, who are looking to take quick trades and they just want to know the bias, I think USD JPY has a pretty good bias on the upside. And it's not like you will buy it anywhere. You have to take care of USD JPY near the 128 levels. 128 levels, it has shown a reaction once, it has shown a reaction again. So I think if dollar gets strong tomorrow, USD JPY can rally up to this supply at least, which is 132 and around. So after that, we have one last analysis of ours, sorry, two last analysis of ours. We come to gold. Gold is one of my favorite pairs to trade, and gold is also one of my most hated instruments to trade, because gold betrays a lot. Now, coming to the analysis over here. Now, what I've marked was yesterday, and I don't think this is gonna work today as well, because look, if it had to come down, if it had to really go up, it would have just done this. This should have happened after moving on from here, breaking a high. It should have just come, and it could have just hit my target, but it did not do that. It liquidated, it took absorbed a lot of liquidity, did a liquidity sweep around this area, and then it went back up again, and then from there it started falling, and now again we see this wild candle in gold as we speak. And I am not interested in gold to take trade, but I have my areas marked. If gold comes anywhere near this area, we have a long, because that is one great OB to take trade, because it has already shown that it has a great order block and orders placed in there, and it showed a very good break of structure on the upside. And gold being bullish, I think this can be a pretty good trade to take trade if it comes near 1900 levels. Now after this, we have our last pair analysis, and that is EUR GBP. Now noted guys, I do not trade in cross currency pairs, because I don't have much expertise, and not even about expertise, I just do not like the chop movements of small pairs. I am a very neat trader. I prefer to trade clean structures. But yeah, something like this cannot be ignored. It should be it is worth looking upon. If we look at the 4 hours time frame, EUR GBP has broken a very crucial higher low, and I feel it is a good break of higher low, and this is the area of supply from where it can start dumping. Now we can, as we speak again, we can see some movement in EUR GBP on the downside, but if we go on the 1 hour time frame, we can notice that it hasn't hit its supply as of now, and I don't think anywhere from here we could have gotten a trade. But now just try to understand, if this does something like this and breaks multiple lows, then this area will become our area to short EUR GBP anywhere in this area, and we can look for a trade, because then it will be breaking all these lows, and break of multiple lows from a particular supply zone. Just near the supply zone shows that the pair has some serious weakness in it, and we can take advantage of it. I hope you can take some advantage from my analysis, and you can use it in your own trading system as well. If you like my analysis, make sure you come to my channel every day to see what I am analyzing and what are the trades that I am taking and the trade breakdowns that I am giving. And thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day ahead.